What's up guys? So today I've got a review of a classic pair of white Vans. I have to say I've always liked Vans, but I've never, took the time to buy a pair, so I thought it was a good time and I decided to go with just a pair of classic white Vans. I think these are amazing looking shoes. My brother has a pair, which is kind of why I like them. What I've noticed is just whenever I see people wearing these, they wear them pretty well. They go well with pretty much everything. They go well with jeans, they go well with dress pants. You can wear these with track pants. Pretty much anything you can wear, you can pull these off with. What's really cool about these Vans is the fact that they're slip-ons and they're very minimal. There's not a whole bunch of action and stuff going on with these shoes. They're just pure classic canvas sneakers. The only thing that I could see kind of difficult with these shoes are going to be keeping them clean, because if you wear these quite often in different environments, you're going to get these dirty because these are all white shoes. So in order to combat that, I'm going to go to Walmart and I'm going to pick up some of the spray that you use that kind of seals the color and acts as a layer of protectant over the coating of the shoe. So overall, first look, I give this shoe a 9 out of 10. I think it's really nice looking. I really like the quality. It feels good in my hand. It's feels soft, and I know these are comfortable because I've tried them on before. So guys, I really don't have much more to say about these shoes. They're pretty simple. There is not much to them. They're very classic minimalist shoes. So if you're looking for a good minimalist sneaker, I highly recommend you check on these classic white slip-on Vans. They're really nice and I really adore them. And guys, with that being said, I'm Robert. This is GentStyle. I hope you enjoyed this review of the classic white Vans, and I will see you guys in the next video.